Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how you operate push to connect fittings available from Utah Pneumatic. It doesn't matter what type of fitting you have, it works the same with a straight fitting, elbow fittings, and it works the same with T-fitting. To get started, you first want to take your pipe cutter and have access to the pipe that you're going to be using. From there, simply cut the pipe down to the desired length. And this is very important. You want to make sure that the cutting surface of the pipe is vertical, that there is no scar on the outer circumference of the pipe, and the pipe is not oval. This will ensure that you always get a straight cut. Now you can insert the pipe into the fitting. It will automatically lock into place and it will stay put until you release it. To release, you simply pull back on the collar and this will allow you to take the pipe out. Now you're free to reuse both the pipe and the fitting.